Apple's next wave of hardware isn't just about the iPhone this time. While most of the attention this fall will go to new iPhones, there's a bigger story quietly building in the background. Apple has been steadily expanding its home ecosystem, and one of the more surprising devices getting a major overhaul is the next Apple TV 4K. Leaks suggest Apple currently has a long list of home products lined up: updated HomePods, a dedicated smart security camera, and a new 7-inch AI-focused smart display. Fitting all of that into a single iPhone event would be a lot, which is why there's real speculation Apple could either rush through them together or hold a separate home-focused event shortly after. Grouping a new Apple TV with speakers, cameras, and a dedicated home display would essentially represent a full living room platform rather than a handful of accessory updates. And the Apple TV appears to sit at the center of that strategy. The interesting part isn't really the outside design, it's the internal hardware leaks. Reports point to a new primary processor, a big jump in memory, an upgraded wireless chip, and much deeper AI integration. That raises an obvious question. Why would a device that just streams video need that much power? Streaming alone doesn't require it, which suggests Apple is preparing this box for a lot more than movies and TV. The first clue comes from networking. Leaks point to Apple's N1 chip, the same networking silicon used in the iPhone 17 lineup, handling Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread connectivity. On its own, that sounds minor, but it matters a lot when you consider how many wireless devices compete around a modern living room setup. Game controllers, smart speakers, security cameras, smart lighting, and general network traffic all running at once. Offloading that networking load to a dedicated chip would let the main processor focus purely on media and graphics, which could meaningfully reduce the small daily annoyances like laggy pairing or delayed smart light responses. Then there's the rumored processor itself, the A17 Pro, the same 3nm chip Apple introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro lineup, featuring hardware ray tracing and a strong neural engine. That chip already proved capable of running console-level titles on a phone with strict battery and thermal limits. Put that same silicon into a box with constant wall power and proper cooling, and the gaming potential opens up significantly. This isn't about replacing dedicated consoles for hardcore gamers, but it could appeal to a large group of casual players who want solid gaming without buying a separate system. Assuming developers actually build for the platform, since the hardware capability alone doesn't guarantee support. RAM is also rumored to jump to 8 GB, which is far more than basic streaming needs. That extra headroom is reportedly there for gaming, background multitasking, and on-device AI processing, tying directly into Apple's push for a more capable Siri. Leaks suggest the assistant could handle ongoing conversations, understand on-screen context, and answer questions about what you're currently watching, like asking who an actor is or getting a quick plot recap without leaving the show you're watching. Audio is another area getting real attention. One rumored feature is real-time AI-based dialogue separation, addressing the common frustration of loud action scenes followed by nearly inaudible dialogue. Instead of manually adjusting volume throughout a movie, the system would reportedly isolate and boost spoken dialogue using the on-device neural engine, similar to voice isolation features already used on iPhone and Mac. There's also a more experimental rumor involving gesture-based control, potentially using an iPhone camera or dedicated sensors to let you pause or skip content with hand movements, drawing from the gesture tracking used in Vision Pro. Whether this becomes genuinely useful will depend entirely on how reliably it works in everyday use. Zoomed out, these leaks point to Apple positioning the Apple TV as the central hub of a broader smart home system, working alongside a dedicated display for quick controls and cameras for live feeds, with the Apple TV handling the heavier computing in the background. As for timing, reports suggest the device has been delayed to align with Apple's next-gen AI software rollout, making a launch around the September event or a dedicated home event shortly after, the most likely scenario. On pricing, hopes for a budget-friendly device seem unlikely given everything reportedly packed inside. Combining a high-end chip, expanded memory, and custom networking silicon points to premium positioning rather than a low-cost streaming stick, meaning Apple will likely need to justify that price by proving this device works as a strong streamer, capable game platform, AI assistant, and smart home hub all at once. If all of that comes together, this wouldn't just be a routine Apple TV refresh. It would represent Apple testing whether the television becomes a genuine hub for its entire ecosystem. That's everything currently rumored about the next Apple TV. Let me know in the comments what would actually get you to upgrade. And subscribe so you catch the official announcement the moment it drops.